bit since I had the time to make a moto vlog. Today, I'm going to get myself a jacket because I've been riding like a real squid lately. So I'm going up to, I think it's Bob's Cycle Supply. Yeah, I'm already halfway there. But yeah, I'm gonna go up there. It is hot today. Bike is running hot. I'm hot. Everybody's hot. It's hot out. Let's get going before I lose any more of this daylight. Ah, shit, you know what? Should probably buckle my helmet on. That'd be smart. Up here in St. Paul, I don't think anybody's coming. Oh boy. I've been riding for about an hour and had to take a minute to stop on the side of the road and let the bike cool off. I was starting to get roasted alive, dude. I think it's 90 degrees out, slightly humid. It is a beast of a day. And if you know anything about the MT10, this bad boy runs hot. So I've been kind of taking it slow. So far though, I haven't noticed any performance drops or anything like that. It seems like the bike's meant to run hot, for all I know. Oh, lovely day to be out for a ride regardless. And almost, dare I say, this bike almost competes with Ducati in terms of heat. That is, I've not ridden very many Ducatis, just two. They were hot bikes. And this bike, goddamn, she's hot as can be. It's not entirely unmanageable though. It's not the worst experience, but it is toasty. That's for sure. Oh, yeah, I'm excited to finally get myself a jacket. Been squidding it up pretty hard. I wanted to get something breathable, and all the places I've stopped at just don't quite have the stuff I'm looking for. Just Googled it up, found this place, Bob's Cycle Supply or something like that. Some dude's cycle supply. And yeah, I'm gonna go check that place out. Looks like it's got a pretty decent selection here in St. Paul. Oh, here we go, we're crossing it. Love this bridge. Love this bridge. Such nice views. I always take this route every time I come into St. Paul. Going across this bridge at night is pretty cool too. Oof. Hopefully I find a breathable jacket and I didn't just ride up here for absolutely nothing. That would be disappointing. Oof. A lot of bikes out. I gotta be careful in this area though. The last time I came up here, literally got into the cities and nearly got hit by a car. So I play very defensive when I'm up here. Because people over here don't give a flying fuck. Damn, all these smashed up cars. There's always smashed up cars in the city, But since the rioting and chaos have started, man, you see them everywhere. Definitely seeing cops everywhere today. Hot, hot, hot. Come on, light. Turn green for the love of fuck. I'm gonna melt. I'm gonna melt. Absolutely gonna fucking melt. Also, damn roads and having to constantly dodge around these fucking cars, man. City riding, it is not for the noobs, that's for sure. Dodging manholes and potholes and crazy drivers and crackheads. It's hot. You gotta stop and go and stop and go. Everybody and their mom is just everywhere constantly. This is quite the chaotic place to ride. I can't imagine learning how to ride in the cities. I mean, that's talking about being tossed in the deep end. Saying, good luck, motherfucker. Toss your ass out. Alright. We're here. It's only 6 o'clock. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. And, as it turns out, I'm not parking in the center of the city. So that's great. Where is it? Oh, with the bikes, of course. Bob Cycle Supplies. Alright. Let's check this place out. Ugh. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I got my jacket. I'm no longer a squid. No longer a squid. Finally got a riding jacket. Man, Bob Cycle Supplies, dude, if you're in the area, check it out. They got a big selection of stuff. I'm not like getting paid or nothing to be saying that. That's a dope place. If you don't know about it, I recommend giving it a shot. I do not think you'll be disappointed. For me in particular, it is very hard finding gear and supplies because I'm a bigger dude, lanky, tall, got a bit of a gut. So finding anything that fits my size, big and bulky, man, it's hard. It sucks. So when I find gear that works, I gotta rave about it because I swear they make motorcycle gear for tiny people. They make everything for tiny people, but motorcycle gear specifically, it's like all the cool shit is for small guys. All the big guys like me, we get the crap nobody wants to wear, nobody wants to ride with. It sucks. But yeah, I was actually pleasantly surprised with Bob Cycle Supplies. They got motorcycle gear, jackets, backpacks. Hell, they even got armored hoodies. Like I didn't even know that was a thing. They got armored hoodies. They got t-shirts, riding videos, all sorts of stuff, dude. All sorts of cool stuff. Helmets. They got all the helmets, man. If you're having trouble finding a helmet, they got a helmet. They got boots, motocross stuff. They got cleaning supplies, t-shirts, hats, sunglasses, everything really. They got brands I haven't seen in other places as well. So it's definitely worth checking out if you're desperate for some supplies and you live in the area and you haven't been happy with what's been offered to you in other places. I'd recommend checking it out. They got all sorts of cool goodies laying around in there. That's the biggest store I've seen for motorcycle gear specifically as of yet. Bob Cycle Supply in St. Paul, pretty dope. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Was fairly impressed. Cool riders there too. I'm awkward as fuck. St. Paul side and kind of walked around for a bit to check stuff out. And fucking, there was just all the stores looted, trashed. Interestingly enough, there were, oddly enough, there were shops that said black owned on them, and they hadn't been touched. So that was kind of cool to see. They didn't do that. They didn't destroy those shops. Yeah, it was just chaos, man. Absolute chaos out here. I'll throw some of the clips in from that so you can see just what I'm talking about, man. It was nuts. I get the anger, but man, destroying the city, I'm not down with that. And that's all I saw. I went up there because, you know, the media and Facebook, dude, you just can't trust it anymore. It's so biased and one-sided. And it doesn't matter where you go, where you get it from. It's all very hyper-opinionated decisions, or skewed, or intentionally edited so that certain info is just not included. And you don't really get 100% of the facts. So I wanted to go up there myself out of morbid curiosity, see, you know, firsthand if it was bad as they say it was. It was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. Tough. Holy fuck, dude. Time ago. Yeah. They're trolling so hard right now, man. Even this area got a little busted up. I'm not sure if the rioting reached this far, man. Some of the crazy stuff I saw out there, it was like stepping into a war zone